Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we are going to be doing a palette review on the January Peachy palette from Peachy Olive Glitters. If you're new to my channel, you're probably asking yourself, what is a Peachy palette? So each month, Peachy Olive Glitters releases 5 new glitter colors in their palette. It is not a subscription. Okay, it's first come, first serve. She only releases a certain amount of these boxes. And this is how she releases new colors. They're $45 plus shipping, and you get 5 2-ounce bags of glitter, and that's 2 ounces by weight. It's a great value because some of these custom mixes can range anywhere between like $10 to $13 a piece. So at $45, you are getting these at a discounted rate. I love to get glitter this way because it kind of pushes me to try new colors that I wouldn't have otherwise bought for myself. And it's always a surprise on what you're getting. You can't see the colors ahead of time, and the lineup is always different. Like, they're very rarely themed, okay? These have already sold out. Again, the way that we do palette reviews is we review them after they've been released so that we don't spoil the surprise. All right, so in this review, I am going to show you what these colors look like under epoxy. I'm also going to show you kind of some project ideas and inspiration that I think you might find helpful. So I hope you guys enjoy this review. That's enough chit chat for me. Let's go ahead and get started. The first one that I want to talk about, and probably one of my favorites in the box, was actually Gentleman. And I'll tell you why this was my favorite. So Gentleman is a fine black glitter. This is like an extra fine. This is a really smaller cut. And we have a bunch of silver holographic pieces and then not holographic pieces in there as well, I think. And, you know, most of us know that if we want our black glitters to shine under epoxy, we have to add in, you know, some silver glitter. And so she's kind of done that for us. And so I feel like this black would be a staple for most tumbler makers. So when you're making your pencils, or like anytime you need a black glitter, like this would be your go-to. I love the cut. I love the versatility. I didn't make any pairings for this particular color because I feel like this is just the little black dress. You could put it on anything. You could pair it with anything. And again, here we are under epoxy. You can see all the sparkle. All right. So absolutely love this one. Again, I feel like this is just one of those bread and butter colors that you're going to really want to have in your collection. That was Gentleman. The next one I want to talk about was easily one of my favorite colors from the palette. This is Fraggle Rock. Now, Fraggle Rock was one of my favorite shows when I was little, and this glitter mix is so beautiful. So this has holographic galore. I mean, I've been waiting for her to do some more holographic stuff because I'm a fan and I just love the way they sparkle. Like, you have black pieces in here, and then you've got just like a potpourri of different beautiful holographic pieces in here. This under epoxy is such a stunner. I mean, look at this. Not what you would have expected under epoxy. It almost looks like we're talking about a black glitter, but definitely not. All right, and so I'm also going to pour a little bit out on the paper here so you can see it really in action. But I mean, look at it dance. Look at that. Look at how it catches the light. This is such a stunner. And really, this is a versatile color, I feel like, because it flashes so many different, it almost flashes every color of the rainbow. It really is beautiful. I don't know how to classify this as a color. Almost leans more on the purple side to me if I had to choose. Now, I'm sure you all are wondering, what would I pair this with? Well, I really feel like you could pair this with almost anything, but so look at this situation here. Okay, so this is actually a really beautiful opal holographic, okay? And a printed vinyl. I'm going to link all the vinyl sources down below in the description box beneath each color, okay? So you can find exactly what I'm talking about. Look, so this pulls all the colors in this pattern in this glitter mix here, okay? So this is a really beautiful, like, hummingbird pattern, okay? So beautiful. Imagine a V-split with this combination would be absolutely stunning, unique, and beautiful. I also want to show you against a rainbow leopard. Now, forgive me if you don't like leopard print. This palette review is going to be leopard heavy, okay? Because you guys know I'm a fan. But I just want to show you how versatile this is and how well it fits to almost every color family. Okay, so at first glance you think like, oh, I don't know what I would use that with, but I mean, when you see it up against almost any color, so beautiful. Okay, if you want to go with a more kind of rock and roll kind of punk look, if we've got some black and white stripes, something kind of modern, something kind of funky, okay, Beetlejuice kind of vibes. And if you guys are wondering where I get my jars from, I will link them down below. I'll also link a video showing you how I get my glitter out of the bags and into these jars, because they do come in bags when you get them out of your palette, okay? All right, so moving on to our next color, I would have to say this was my favorite color from this palette because I love a beautiful pink holographic moment, a jewel tone pink specifically. I mean, this is stunning. This is Minnie. Okay, and this is a holographic metallic pink with a bunch of different cut sizes. I would say you maybe have like, I don't know, 3 or 4 different cut sizes, but look at this. Okay, if you wanted to do your tack it method, okay, this will be a little bit of a different tack it method because you have the different sizes in it, but it would still be absolutely beautiful. I mean, this hot pink is just what pink lover dreams are made of. And of course, you know, I'm going to pair it with a leopard print. But look at how perfect this vinyl is with this. This was from the Wild Love mystery box from the Vinyl Cottage. And look at, I mean, it was just perfect. Look at the beautiful holographic action you're getting with this. The sparkle is insane. It just dances. I love this shade of pink. And I love to pair it with the leopard print and even with some gold, okay? That's just a very sassy moment. Now, I've already put this one and another color on a cup. Okay, I just kind of sprinkled it into those pink sections. I haven't finished this yet, but just to give you an idea of what that looks like under epoxy with that vinyl. If I were to pair this with a color, I would say this would go well with gunmetal grays, black, maybe a holographic purple or a metallic purple, possibly. But I really thought it would look cute with Jazzy Belle. Look how pretty this would be together, okay? I also thought it would pair well with Rifleman's Creed. And then this isn't really a black, it is a gunmetal gray, but look at it with this pink. The contrast, the match together is just stunning. Here it is in like a little J mold. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So remember when Recollections glitter, yes, I'm talking craft glitter. Recollections back in the day had this color called Janelle. And it was a really beautiful kind of fuchsia pink color like this. This Gives me everything I loved about Janelle, only in big, beautiful pieces in a mix that is just to die for. Look at this. I mean, it's so pretty. Absolutely love it. If you're a pink lover, you are going to really love this color. So that was Minnie. I love the name too, Minnie. Like Minnie Mouse. Get into is Love Potion. Now, Love Potion was like probably my least favorite color out of this palette, I'll be honest with you. But it is beautiful. It's a really kind of deep navy, purpley kind of blue. I don't even know if I would say navy. We've got some like black or gray pieces in here along with like a metallic blue. I like this color. I feel like this would be beautiful for a campfire sunset. That's immediately what I thought of when I saw this color. So if we were doing a sunset cup, like my Pacific Northwest sunset tutorial, which I'll link down below, with caroling, freckles, and banana balls, okay? These ombre together for a sunset over like a mountain silhouette, I think would be absolutely stunning. This would take the place of the color Franklin that I had in my original tutorial for that look. And this is a very deep, deep blue. It almost reminds me of OG. So if you guys are familiar with the glitter OG, we'll get that. Okay, so I couldn't find OG, but I did find Royalty, which I think is very similar. This is a larger cut than one we have with Love Potion, okay? But here we are under Epoxy. And it's just, this one has a little bit of sparkles from other stuff. But this is just a very deep, deep, dark, sparkly, kind of, you know, warmer blue, closer to the side of purple, I think almost, okay? So that is Love Potion. I also thought a cute vinyl pairing for this would be kind of this darker, funky leopard, okay? And last but not least, I want to talk about Gothic Valentine. I thought this mix was really beautiful. There is so much going on with this glitter mix, but it is fantastic. So this is Gothic Valentine. You've got silvers, you've got purples, holographic situations going on. You've got pink even, okay? Doesn't look so dark in here as it is under Epoxy, okay? So this is Gothic Valentine. Now this one has star shapes, hexagons, circles, okay? Lot going on there, okay? Lot of sparkle, okay? A lot of whimsy in this mix, but it is a darker mix, okay? I think this would look beautiful paired with Hopeless Romantic. Here is next to Hopeless Romantic. Okay, or even just paired with a simple black like Gentleman that we looked at earlier, okay? I think this would be really pretty in like a waterfall ombre kind of look. It looks beautiful in molds if you're doing keychains and things. Again, here's what we get with that. But I paired this with another one of the prints from the Wild Love mystery pack from the Vinyl Cottage shop. I thought it picked up those beautiful pink, purple, and black colors really well. This will be added to the site soon if it hasn't been already at vinylcottageshop.com. Again, I'll have a link down below. And then you see how beautifully it pairs with this frosty purple, the holographic purple, and this kind of gunmetal charcoal black. Absolutely love it. So here it is again, sprinkled into this one here. It's not done yet. Got some other plans for this. But this again is Minnie and Gothic Valentine on this print here, just kind of sprinkled in. I hope this palette review has helped you guys out and get you some ideas and some inspiration for these colors. A lot of these colors will be added to the website soon, so take a look at peachyoliveglitters.com. Keep your eyes out for that. All the vinyl that I've shown in this video listed in the description box underneath each color, so you can review each pairing later on if you want to pick some of those up. So thank you guys so much for watching our palette review. Let me know if you want to see more of these. I'm happy to do another one next month. I think they're so fun because we just get to play with glitter. But that's it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on Saturday. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.